Hey guys, this video is a short breakdown of my acrylic painting utensils. You can get any of these on Amazon for a good price and start painting right away. First, the canvas I use is triple primed. It is 9 by 12 inches. I am very comfortable using this size, however you can use whichever size you are more comfortable with. As you can see, it is thin and can be taped to any surface like a small table before you begin painting. However, if you do prefer a thicker size canvas, go ahead and do so. Next, here are the paintbrushes I use. These paintbrushes come in multiple sizes. The brand I use is Benicci, and so far I love using them. They come in different sizes and different shapes in the brittle brushes. This really helps with different types of painting techniques. We also have the fan brush, which you'll be seeing a lot in the videos going forward. We also have these type of brushes as well. It's Color Factory brand, which are my least favorite. I prefer the brown ones because they don't stain as much as the white ones. This big paintbrush, Fleetwood brand, however, any brand will do as long as it is sturdy and have soft brittles. This size paintbrush is 38.1mm, but you can get a smaller one, is no problem at all. Next, my palette knife. It's great for mixing paints and for painting techniques on your canvas. Any size is okay to use, it's up to you. I also have this old toothbrush that I use. It's great for creating stars for night sky painting. Here are my acrylic paints. The brand I use is Mont, marte, and it has 24 color tubes with variety of colors. I've been using them for the past few weeks and I really love them. And now for the tape that I use. In my videos, you will see that I use masking tape to tape the edges on my canvas to create a clean framework. And then this sponge that I use is a great tool for creating different painting techniques. For example, it can be used for clouds or to create the sand for the beach. And for Q-tips, I realize it's really great for creating different painting techniques that you want to use. It's great for leaves on the tree or just any creative design that you can come up with. Now for my water container. It's useful for washing your paintbrushes or adding a little water to mix with the paint to achieve a different painting texture. Also great to get a piece of napkin with you while you're painting. It is good to dry wet paintbrushes or to take off excess paint or water from your paintbrushes as you paint. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope this video is very useful to you. Please look out for more of my acrylic painting videos.